Good day students, I hope you all are well. Today's topic is mammary gland. This is the topic of chapter number 3 of NCERT book class 12, human reproduction. This is the sectional view of mammary gland. Mammary gland always in pair in mammals. This is also known as breast. It is made up of glandular tissue and fat. It is made up of glandular tissue and fat. This is the fat and this one is the glandular tissue. These glandular tissue forms mammary lobes. These are lobes. 15 to 20 lobes present in the breast. ये देखिए. These are the lobes and each lobe has alveoli. It means cluster of cells. Alveoli is a balloon-like structure which has a cavity that is known as lumen. Alveoli secrete milk and store milk in lumen. This milk comes out from this lumen through a duct that is known as mammary tubule. यानी each secrete or release milk through a fine capillary like tube, through a fine capillary that is known as mammary tubule. Mammary tubule joins to form a mammary duct. Mammary tubule joins to form a mammary duct. All these mammary duct join. These are the ducts of each alveoli. These duct joins to form a common tube-like structure that is known as mammary ampulla. This ampulla again join and form lactiferous duct. Here is another term that is known as areola. This is the black pigmented area of mammary gland. Let's see ray diagram. This one is mammary gland. Mammary gland is in pair and it is the other name of this mammary gland is known as breast. It has glandular tissue and fat. This glandular tissue form mammary lobes. This is glandular tissue forms mammary lobes which is around 15 to 20 in number. This mammary lobes form cluster of cells that is known as alveoli. Alveoli has a lumen. Alveoli secretes milk and is stored in lumen. This alveoli again form a tube-like structure that is known as mammary tubules. These mammary tubules join to form mammary duct. These mammary duct join to form mammary ampulla. These mammary ampulla join to form lactiferous duct.